Hello and welcome to our channel How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can disable the new chat request on Kik. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Kik app on your phone. After that, what you need to do is click on your profile which you see on the top right hand corner. Then scroll all the way down and find chat settings. Click on chat settings as you find it, and at the bottom of your screen you can see something like new chat request. This will allow to receive messages from people you don't know. If you want to enable or disable this, all you need to do is click on it and you will see three options. The first option is never, the second option is only from groups, and the third option is always. So if you want to find new chat request always, you can go ahead and click on always, and if you only want it from your known groups, you can click on only known groups, or else if you don't want any disturbances through the Kik app, you can just simply select never. And this way you can change your preferences and you can disable the new chat request on Kik. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.